y'all, it's your girl Daisy. I decided to, take a journey with you guys to show my art. Now, I feel like throughout these years of being on YouTube, on this channel for 2 years, I have grown a lot. I like to do all kinds of things. I like to create characters. I like to, try new art things. And I also like to do animations. But I got an animation channel. I decided to use my old channel. Yeah, I have an old channel. New animations on that channel right now at this moment. So you go check it out. It's The Such a Doll Animations. I will leave it in the description down below, and I'll also leave it at the end of this video if you can check it out if you want to or not. I decided to put some of my videos together just to get a little spin of all the things I do on my channel. Also, some little sneaky sneaks. Everybody knows I like to throw the sneak here, a little sneak there, because I like to do that because it makes it fun on my channel. Because I want to show you everything that I'm working on, but I also want to show you some things I'm working on. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, she's working on some new things. Yes. Anywho, so let me show you some things that I like to do on my channel. Lately, I've been drawing characters. Oh, I can add her in the room, or I can add her outside playing with a dog. Sketchbook, notes off my phone, and I'm good. Then I'll go to Procreate and go to the digital part of
Ooh, lollipops.
So what I'm going to do is basically change her up a little bit more, add more, detail, add more stuff to the design of her because I want to make her cute. So here she goes. As you can see, I changed it, right? I think she looks more cute. I want to be able to have her hair. She got to have hair. All my characters I made, I wanted to have like a signature hairstyle for them. So if I had made her face that big in the head part of the mouse costume, I want to get the hair design I want from her. One character, which is over here, I don't have a name for him yet, but I know his name will come sooner than later because I don't know right now. So if you want to see new art and I'm working on like new characters, because I am working on a new character right now and he is so adorable, okay? And I might put it on this channel or I might put it on my Patreon. Either or, he's still cute, okay? I'm going to be fixing a drawing I did on Procreate a while back. This is when I was freshly learning how to, that didn't even sound right. I decided to, have a cartoon version of myself. This is me attempting to do that for the first time on Procreate. Right now, I'm working on this. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to keep this hand like underneath her chin. And as I look at it so many times, I was like sitting here drawing and trying to fix it. I was like, ugh, they don't look right. Like her fingers are not right. I tried to move them around, as you can see, but I couldn't get it like I wanted. So I took the whole arm. Instead of drawing it over, I took the whole arm because the arm is not bad. Once again, I'm not trying to go over this drawing, this whole complete drawing over. I'm not trying to do all that. I already did that. I'm just trying to fix the problems, and I decided to take the whole arm and put it to the side and like, hey, we're gonna fix it. I didn't know exactly what I want to do with it right then, so as you can see, the hand is moved to the side, and I just did the select to and just went over where I want to get the hand and then copy it and put it to the side over there so I can fix it better, so I can see and look at it a little bit better as I'm fixing it. I just wanted to get the fingers, like I wanted to see the fingers better. I feel like that's the only way I can do it is to put it to the side because I wanted to fix that shirt Two, this is my character. Her name is Ginger. This idea is from a doll baby and from a puppet. I wanted to have her to be a doll baby and a puppet. I know, but that's just what I wanted her to be. So she is like a combination of both. The first drawing is this one right here that I drew, and the second one is the one on the side of her sitting down. Now, I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you guys my drawings and where Ginger came from. I'm going to be drawing Ginger over again. I decided not to take the drawing and take a picture of it and put it on Procreate. I decided to start all the way over and just, because I'm trying to just draw her face more and just so I can be able to draw her in different scenes in different areas. So yeah, I'm going to be doing like an artist vlog, basically telling you guys what I'm doing, what I'm up to, and things I gotta get done. I'm gonna show you me, working on some thumbnails to fix my channel. Just things I need to be doing to basically make my channel look more pleasing to the eye. Sometimes it's just hard to put out videos every week when it comes to drawing, and because sometimes you don't be done. And I don't like to rush through my drawings. I like to take my time. And you might say that, well, that's like 7 days or 6 days that you're doing. Yeah, but nah, I don't have enough time to be sitting here and rushing through all my drawings just to get something out. I don't want to make bad art. I don't want even though sometimes art don't come out like you want to, sometimes it be good, sometimes it be, not too good. But if I can make it look decent, I'm gonna take my time, okay? Now, if you have not subscribed to me yet, you can do so, hit the subscribe button and like this video. And share it so people know that if you are into art, you like art things. Now, I'm not showing you all my videos. I got a lot of videos, especially a lot of shorts. I was doing a lot of shorts and stuff, and I was like, you know what? I need to do some longer videos. And I still love shorts. So, I challenged myself to draw every day. I added another challenge to my first challenge. I know, it's ridiculous, but I did it. And even though the first one was traditional and this is digital, it doesn't matter as long as I draw every day, okay? I decided to draw a girl and her pet dog. And I think I'm getting pretty good with drawing dogs now, because this will be my third drawing of a dog, because I'm not really into drawing animals like that. But I think I'm doing pretty good. In the comments down below, guess what breed this dog is? And if you get it right, then I know for sure that I am improving in my dog drawing. If not, then I got a lot of work to do. Well, I tried. decided to show you guys all the rooms I have done this year. Now, I did a lot of rooms, and with that being said, it took a lot of time to do these rooms, like days on days on days. But I decided to go over these rooms, not really go over them, just show you the rooms that I have made, and some you probably already seen more than one time. But let me tell you, all the details that come into making your own like rooms and backgrounds or whatever you're trying to make, it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. Okay, so some of these rooms you have not seen because I'm not showing you the whole room. I'm just going to show you some things here and there. I'm working on something. Okay, I can't be showing you all the things that I'm working on right now. It's like a little secret, little sneak. However, I want to show you guys what I've been working on, and some of these are already out that you have already seen. Maybe not. If you have not, you want to go check it out. But some of these are some updated ones that I want to be showing you guys, like you know who room this is going to be. Your girl got some clay, so I started cleaning up everything. I took a small brush to clean it up, getting more into the details because I didn't want it to look sloppy, so I make sure it looks good and clean up on the edges and whatnot. So that's what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and do the little highlights on this, and I'm going to use a paint pen. To find out what I did wrong. Oh, here you go. I'm going to use a paint pen, which is my full pen. I found a gap on there. I got it. This week, my hands have paint on it. Oh my goodness. I want stuff to look a certain type of way, so I'm scared. Let me see. Alright, so I hit 2 years on my art channel, and I'm very happy. And with that being said, I have made a series, and it's out with the old and with the new. That's the reason for my series, because your girl not looking back no more, she's looking forward. So that's basically saying out with the old and with the new. So you'll see new things on my channel. That's why, hint of the new animation channel that I decided to push out and put all my animations on. Hint of the posting more on my Patreon. Doesn't matter how this goes or not, I'm still going to be doing my art. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.